Hey guys, welcome back. Um, Sorry that we can't meet in class anymore, just as we were starting to get to do the fun stuff. Um, I do feel really bad that this is how we have to do things now, but it's something that's beyond all of our control, and we're just going to try to make the best of it. So, how the rest of the semester is going to go is going to be pretty simple, actually. It's not going to be too different than what we were already doing. It's just going to be a little less of it. So first thing you guys are going to see is attached with this video is a new syllabus. This syllabus is going to kind of just describe everything that we've done so far. It's going to tell you what we're going to do. And then in the syllabus, there's a schedule of assignments, like this week we're doing this week we're doing that, so on and so forth. So if you're ever not certain what you should be doing, check the syllabus, okay? How this is going to work is for homework, every week there's going to be a homework assignment, just one unit covering something that I feel is very important for you guys to know. After we complete the assignments that I want out of the section, we will have a test. How the tests are going to work for this is I'm going to basically make it easier for you guys. Test is going to go out on a Monday morning, and you'll have until Friday midnight to get it done. So that gives you 4 or 5 days to get the test done. And during that week, the test is the only thing that you need to do. Um, what else? I will be hosting probably every day a Google Hangout session. Um, I'm not sure exactly how often or what time I'll do it. I will definitely have that figured out by the time you guys see this, and I'll have a schedule posted in Google Classroom. But other than that, the only other thing that's going to be a little bit different is in a couple of weeks, you guys are going to be starting a little bit of Haas certification training. Um, it's some CNC stuff. It's some stuff that you guys really wanted to do, and it's good stuff to know. And basically, if you get through all this, then you're one step away from actually being a Haas certified operator, which is a pretty big deal, especially if you're trying to get into the trades. If you've gone through this training and you get the certification, we can't do the certification in school because the last part is you have to show your competency with a Haas representative, and obviously we can't do that right now. But for the most part, everything else is going to be pretty easy in here. Your first assignment of the quarter is to comment on this post, on this video, that you understand what you are supposed to do. You understand that the homework assignments are still expected to be done, tests are still expected to be made, and that's just basically type I understand. That way I know that you guys watched the video. All right, looking forward to hopefully seeing you guys in some of the hangouts. Other than that, stay safe, stay healthy, and get your homework done.